Oh my gosh. Look. The face. Oh, the face is sitting like.
Look me in my face, cause you know you are home, girl.
Oh my gosh, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Imani. If you are new here, because I do see a lot of new faces here, what's up bestie? And if you're returning, welcome back. So as you saw by the title, yes, we are getting into my beauty brand, and I am so excited because this is an updated makeup tutorial. This is the official launch, and I'm going to be dropping off everything here in this video. So I've already prepped my face off camera. The only thing I did not do was actually put on a primer, so let me go ahead and do that right now. But y'all, when I tell y'all, I am so excited to actually show you guys the official product, the official foundation. I know I've been swatching things for you guys, showing you guys a lot of the behind the scenes, and like, you know, just talking about her and, you know, my hopes and dreams and all that stuff. Like, I'm just a girl, like I just but she's officially here, and the website is up, which I will be dropping in the description, so you guys can catch that link and even catch the pre-order, hint, because that is also available now, the pre-order. There are 50 shades of my foundation, if you did not know, and I'm talking about my beauty brand, Timeless Beauty. But that's enough. We're gonna go ahead and get straight into the makeup tutorial now. Okay, so I have been working on this project for so long, and by the way, I'm giving you guys a sneak peek again of some of the other products that I have coming for you, which this is my concealer. No, this is not the bottle, this is just a sample, but this is one of the shades in the concealer that is also the same thing with the foundation. So what I did for you guys to make life easier, I actually went ahead and I had all my concealers made in the same shade as the foundation, so that way it's easier for you to find your shade. So the shade that I'm using right now is Warm Glow, and I'm going to use this for my concealer because I want a bright under eye. But this has been a long time coming. The outpour of support, first of all, that I've been receiving on social media for Timeless Beauty is literally enough to make a girl cry. Because are you serious? Like, are you joking me? Like, the girlies have been like saying everything that I hope that would resonate with the brand as soon as I launched it. Like, I wanted it to be known that this is an all-inclusive brand. This brand also caters to Black women, because I know we often get the, you know, bottom of the barrel when it comes to shade ranges that are put out in initial launches, especially if we see that the quality is good, but we're never like thought of when it comes to initial launches. So I wanted to make sure that that was not even a question when it came to Timeless Beauty. Now, people have been asking me a few questions related to, so I've been getting a lot of questions about the brand and its products. So as far as the base things, which will be, sorry if you guys hear my fan, I got it on my face, but how many shades? It's 50. There are all-inclusive, ranging from light, medium, tan, deep, and rich. The shade that I just used actually now is from the tan group, and like I said, that was Warm Glow. And then if it's water-based or if it's silicone-based, these products are silicone-based. They are soft matte products. That way, if you do have issues with oils, you don't have to worry about that too much. It is long wear. It is full coverage, as you can see. The pigment is crazy, and this type of makeup is definitely look like made for a full glam look. So now I'm going to blend it out with this fluffy brush right here. But yes, and then when people were asking where can I buy, so my site just went live, and I did not expect to already start getting orders, but I am so grateful and appreciative of the support that I've been getting for Timeless Beauty and its products, and I seriously cannot wait to see what everybody has to say and what they create with the products. Like, I'm overwhelmed with joy, gratitude, gratefulness, every positive affirmation that you can think of. I'm just like overwhelmed with it. But another thing that I've been seeing since I've been sharing everything about it, somebody told me that they actually love the fact that I'm sharing the process of building my beauty brand. So the thing about Timeless Beauty that I wanted to also incorporate with this is it's a brand for the people, essentially. Like, I don't want it to feel like, oh, another corporation came out with another way to make money off of people who love makeup or just make money off of people. No, like I wanted to make sure that my brand stood out amongst the many, and knowing that like the people come first. I want to know what you guys want from me. I don't want it to ever just be, oh, she's just putting out products just because she wants to. Granted, yes, I can because it's my brand, but I don't want it to have that feel. I don't like that. I want this to be a brand that everybody felt like, you know, we watched it grow, we watched it turn into this. Like, this is everybody's baby, not just my own. I really want this to be something that everybody can look back and be like, oh, we remember when you made this and you took us behind the scenes and into the manufacturers, all that stuff. Like, that's my biggest thing with Timeless Beauty right now. I want everything to be very personal with the brand. Okay, so now that I got my concealer blended out, which you can see, she is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And I'm going to keep her this way because I really want that full coverage look. I'm going to go ahead and put my blush on. Like I said, I'm not going to get into that. This is not a product from Timeless Beauty, but we're just going to tap her on here. And then I'm gonna go back into that same brush that I used to blend out my concealer, and I'm just going to mesh the two together. But yes, that I can say is a big goal of, oh, I hate when this happens. A big goal of mine is making this brand feel like it belongs to you guys, because you guys are a big support and a big reason why this is even possible right now. So going back to the pre-order portion of it, yes, these foundations will be available for pre-order, and you guys will be there watching everything take place as far as packaging, the filling of the bottles, everything behind the scenes, anything that you could think of, it will be there for you guys. But right now it is just by pre-order, and then I will be sending out everything all at once. That way I can just have my collective of beauties, which, if you don't know, I call it the Timeless Beauty Collective. If you go on the website too, that's also the ambassador program that I have available for anybody that's interested in becoming a part of the Timeless Beauty Collective or family. That's what I have available for you guys. So now, oh, and I know you guys are waiting to see the bottle. I'm going to show you guys that in a minute. Like, let's get into everything else first. So the next thing I'm going to go into is another one of our foundation shades. This one is Warm Cocoa, and this is in the deep group, and I'm just going to use a little bit of her for my bronzer shade. And I'm going to put her, she's not in her bottle yet because, like I said, a lot of these are from when I sampled to make sure everything was the way I wanted it when it came to putting out a foundation. So swirl her around on here, but I'm going to use her as my bronzer shade, and that's what she looks like. And we're going to put her on her forehead. So yeah, I have so much in store for you guys with this, and I cannot wait to see what everybody creates, what everybody has to say. I am truly in love with my products. I personally feel like they're amazing. I feel like everybody is going to love them. Like, what more can I ask for in my beauty brand? Like, it's everything. Like, you see that soft, that's so soft. And that was another thing that I wanted to let you guys know with it. Like, this is a multi-purpose foundation too, clearly. Like, you don't have to just use it for like your base. Obviously you can, because there's so many colors for it, but I definitely feel like if you're looking for a bronzer shade but you feel like you don't want to go too dark or you don't want to contour, this is the way to go. So now that I have that one there, I'm going to put a little bit more in the back of my hand and go back in and define my nose. That way she does not get lost. But the outpour of support has been nothing short of just, I cannot believe this. I've even had some people start to order 3 bottles, and that amazed me in itself, because I'm like, oh my gosh, like I know I love these bottles, but to see somebody order 3 is like, wow. And then we'll talk about cost, because I know some people are like, well, how much does it cost? The foundation is cost at $22. I feel like that's a fair price, given the fact that, you know, a lot of these brands that have ranges of 50 or more tend to price their stuff really, really high. And that's solely up to them. But me, I wanted to make sure that Timeless Beauty was also affordable. You're getting high quality products, but for an affordable price. So, you know, like I said, the girls that get it are the girls that get it. All right, so we have that on our nose now. But yes, my whole thing was I wanted it to be a high quality brand but affordable. And then also too, if you're wanting to know more about why I also have the slogan as redefining the classics, I feel like because oftentimes makeup companies or anybody for that matter pay tribute to the classics, but the classics also aren't up with the time. So when I say redefining classics, I mean I'm going to pay homage to the originals, to the classics, to the before us, but I'm going to modernize her. I'm going to bring her upward. My biggest thing too with Timeless Beauty was also making sure that it was proper representation for Black women in color cosmetics. And I felt like with foundation, you know, that was the best start because we often have problems with finding that now anyway. Y'all disregard my hair if you feel like she's all over the place. I don't know what she got going on. But now for the big reveal, because oh my gosh. So this is the bottle, guys. Isn't she lovely? She is absolutely gorgeous. So this is the front of the box. Then you have the side with our slogan. Then we have, you know, the vegan, no cruelty, and then we have the shelf life as long with the ingredients on the side. And then we have a few facts about the foundation right here, which is oil control, long lasting, full coverage for HD flawless, radiant finish, waterproof, skin nourishing, paraben, and non-acnegenic. Okay, because we know that we need to keep the face together, but she is a silicone based foundation. So now for the bottle refill. Oh my gosh, isn't she just the cutest? Now I'm not gonna lie, the reason why you see his face right here is because I've already been using her, but I just wanted to show you guys because I had to get some swatches too of her after I got it from my manufacturer. But from the packaging down to the logo design, everything was made by me, all by me. The website, everything was by me. So this is the bottle. This is the Skin Perfect foundation. This is in the shade Bronze Glow, which is also SP32. So we're going to put her on the back of our hand like so. And you don't need much, like I said, she's full coverage. And I'm going to take my foundation brush and I'm just gonna put her, because y'all know I don't put stuff all over my face. You can if you want to, but you know, I'm a minimal coverage type of girl. Well, not minimal coverage, I'm a girl that likes full coverage, but I like to make sure I have enough of my product left over. Like I don't wanna feel like I'm overdoing it and it's just like, girl, like this is a full coverage foundation and I want to get the most out of that while I have it. So y'all see that? Absolutely stunning. So that's the other side, this side. And I am completely in love with her. And that's what she looks like. So one thing that I also made sure too was to have minimal oxidation, because I know sometimes when people put on their foundation, they often say, oh, it oxidized, so it got a little bit darker. One thing about my foundation is that that's not going to be the case. That's not what we're doing. We're not going to oxidize. We're not going to have much transfer either. Because I know us girls like to be out in our makeup and we know we like some long wear. And this is literally her. I'm going to put some on my forehead too, just a little bit. But this is the face. Oh my gosh. So now what I'm going to do off camera for you guys, because I want to come back and talk some more about the makeup itself, is I'm going to set everything because this is all wet based. I do not have any dry based products yet, but that does not mean that they won't be coming soon. So let me get back to you guys after I put on or finish the rest of my makeup. And voila, here is the finished look for the entire makeup look. Mind you, I used 2 foundations, one for bronzer, one for base, and I used my concealer in the shade Warm Glow in the concealer, Warm Cocoa in the bronze, and I use Bronze Glow for my base underneath my cheeks. But oh my gosh, guys, when I tell you guys, I am so in love with Timeless Beauty and the products that I have to share with you guys. I honestly cannot wait until you guys buy them, test them out, let me know what your girl, think or whatever. Like, I cannot wait to hear what you guys have to say back. I've seen nothing but positive emotions and positivity shared around Timeless Beauty anyway, when it comes to just sharing the things that I want to give to you guys. So I really cannot wait to see the Timeless Beauty collective form and just become this huge wave, this huge revolution, this huge, just like I said, redefining the classes. I cannot wait to see how Timeless Beauty unfolds in the beauty industry. And for one more peek again, like I said, this is the box. And this is the foundation. Definitely giving life. And oh my gosh, when I tell you guys, I just cannot wait to see all the looks, the beauty, everything with it. I don't think you guys understand, first of all, how appreciative I am of the support. I'm literally weak in the knees, like, girl, stand up. No, I can't, because the Timeless Beauty people, my people are coming through and they're letting me know this is what they want. But like I said, I will be listing every product that I used from Timeless Beauty in the description box. I will also be linking the website in there, so if you're wanting to go pre-order, or if you're just interested to just check it out to see what Timeless Beauty has to offer, I'll be linking the website down in the description box. And like I said, I just cannot wait to see the Timeless Beauty collective form. I'm so ready for it. But don't leave off this channel if you would like to see how I got started with my foundation journey, my beauty journey, as far as building my beauty brand. There's a few videos that I've linked in here for you guys, so don't be afraid to go click those, stay a little longer, chat with your girl, and get to know Timeless Beauty a little bit better. And yes, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Do not leave. Like I said though, thank you for tuning into this one, but don't leave. Be sure to subscribe, like, give this video a thumbs up, let your girl know that you were watching or here if you're interested in any of the products as well. But like I said, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.